When you're growing a business, the reality is that cash flow will never be static. It changes depending on your business phase, whether you're just starting, scaling, or maintaining. But here's the thing. Most business owners fail to match their tools to their cash flow phase, and that's where they hit roadblocks. If you're in one phase and using tools designed for another, you're essentially running blind. But don't worry, I've got the exact tools that match cash flow with business phases, and I'm going to break them down for you today. Now, you've probably seen those best tool lists around, right? A lot of them are just affiliate-heavy fluff. I'm not incentivized by affiliate commissions, so I'm going to give it to you straight. No gimmicks, no hidden agendas. First, let's talk about when you're just starting. In these early stages, your cash flow is tight, but you still need tools that help you manage basic tasks without breaking the bank. That's where platforms like Wave Accounting come in. It's free, intuitive, and perfect for solopreneurs or very small teams. Wave helps you manage your bookkeeping and invoicing without any frills, so you can put your energy into generating revenue, not balancing the books. For a tool like this, you're looking for simplicity, low cost, and scalability, because as your business grows, you'll need something more robust. But this gets you through that early phase without overspending. As you start to scale, cash flow tends to get a bit more complex. This is when you're likely moving from simple invoicing to needing full-on financial planning. That's where QuickBooks Online comes in. It's one of those tools that grows with you. Whether you need to manage payroll, track expenses, or even get tax reports, QuickBooks doesn't just keep up. It adapts to whatever your business needs. It's like adding a financial manager to your team without the full-time salary. Now, here's something important to consider. At this stage, it's crucial to not overcomplicate your system, but also not settle for something too basic. QuickBooks offers a perfect balance of flexibility and functionality, so now you're hitting that growth phase, and you have more revenue coming in. Cash flow is better, but now you need to think about forecasting and strategizing for the future. At this stage, you might want to look into tools like Float. Float integrates with your accounting software to give you detailed cash flow forecasts, helping you see exactly where you're headed. Think of it like the GPS of business finance. It shows you the most efficient route and warns you about potential potholes in your financial landscape. This is the kind of tool that gives you the visibility to make informed decisions as your business grows, keeping cash flow in sync with your expanding needs. Then there's the final stage, when your business is thriving and your cash flow is healthy, but managing it becomes more critical than ever. This is the phase where financial decision-making should be data-driven, and tools like Fathom or Xero become invaluable. They give you in-depth reporting on everything from profitability to return on investment, and they also allow for collaboration with your accountants and advisors. Here's the thing. At this stage, it's no longer about getting by. It's about optimizing. You're looking at profit margins, overheads, and leveraging your data to push the business to the next level. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that matching the right tool to your cash flow phase is an ongoing process. Just because you start with something like Wave doesn't mean you have to stick with it forever. The goal is to always be in sync with your business's needs. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that this advice doesn't come with any affiliate links attached. No incentives here, just real value to help you navigate the tricky waters of matching your tools with your cash flow phase. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Support content that's here to help, without any hidden commissions or pushy promotions. Until next time, keep growing, keep optimizing, and keep your cash flow on track.